Hey guys, today I want to show how I'm trying to grow cauliflower. Look at that. I already have cauliflower. I eat it. And look at that. This is water. I put on it on this size. Look at that. So I'm trying to grow more root. When more root come, look at that. Then I'll put in my garden. Look at that. Today is my room gardening, guys. UK, America, USA, Canada, this kind of cold country need room gardening. This I feel. So this is my invention, this is my research about gardening. So today let me try to I don't know, camera, I can't move. Sorry. Okay, anyway, guys, today, last time I showed the cauliflower, cabbage. Now look, cauliflower. Also, same way I try for broccoli is not work, guys. You know what? Oh, this not okay. Look at that, guys. Today is my gardening. Yeah, oh, look at that. It is my cabbage. You see, I trying to grow sweet corn. Today's look at that, guys. My garden. I don't know how much you can see. Yes, guys. So, guys, you know what? You should try to always grow something. In this kind of country, really, sometimes, I research how much. One jackfruit tree I make quite big, but what happened when I put outside it is die because indoor outdoor is like this sometimes make trouble. So so when too much hot weather come, then you put outdoor and they will adjust slowly when cold come. Sometimes this work, but it is sometimes happen extreme anyway. Still I'm growing a lot. My chai tea, guys, growing very well indoor. I think so. Chai they are very easily growing indoor. Outdoor I always try is not work for me, and I didn't get any flower yet or vegetables, but the chai plant growing. Chai leaves and browns also you can eat as like a spinach. So I do this, especially leaves from the bottom. I take it with fish, meat, whatever. Sometimes I just fry it to eat like this, and always I love to grow. Never I throw like this, guys. You can try. Look at that. You see, yes, guys. Eat like this cauliflower. You eat cauliflower and try to grow. But one problem is, especially cabbage. I saw, guys, they are outdoor. When I put slug, snail, they love cauliflower, cabbage too much, so they eat. Normally, they eat it really. So still I'm not giving up. I try to grow. I love cauliflower and trying to grow cauliflower really. Normally these leaves also you can eat, but I don't eat because I'm trying to grow from seed. So cauliflower, cabbage sometimes grow very hard, I see, because I'm doing this organically. I don't use any chemicals. So if slug eat, still I don't mind. I always try to grow. Sometimes yeah, I see if I put too much seed, too much plant come, so slug can eat all. Sometimes they eat and they're fed up, so they're not eat anymore. So this I can keep for myself. Like this, I do really, guys. So you can type in a competition with slug and snail. Still, you shouldn't throw. Uh, you shouldn't give up and shouldn't use any chemical. I don't like to use chemical at all, guys. So I always try to grow organic, natural way. So virgin this year I'm trying to grow really, guys, and I'm trying to grow almost everything really. This year quite different type of vegetables. Maybe going to be success, like yeah, aubergine. I love aubergine. Aubergine frying, aubergine baking, and cooking with any fish, vegetable, meat, whatever. It's very tasty, really. And also, you can make chutney, aubergine chutney. We do this. So this year, I'm trying to grow these exotic vegetables from January, but it's not work. Plant come, then they die because not enough sunlight, not and this is cold also. Indoor, not enough sunshine here. This why they maybe die. But maybe May is perfect now. Like now, May the 24, 26. Yeah, I don't check date really. Anyway, so this time is perfect really because. In this kind of country only June, July, August, September, yeah, these 4 months you can grow outdoor. So you can make plant quickly indoor, and outdoor very slowly come and insect eat very easily. So indoor is quite safe to make plant from seed. So also, very young plant, slug and snail love too much, so they eat it. So make them a little bit bigger and hard, so they can't eat. This I'm trying to, this room, full of room really. I just trying to grow. Look at that, my child, guys. Trying to grow, lots of fruits, vegetables, and herb, this kind of things. Really, some plant I have to look after them very long time, like pistachio nut. I buy maybe 4 5 years ago and look after them very nicely in the pot. And this year, one pistachio nut. I buy three. One flower come, but it's dropped. Maybe next year will be okay. So from pot to I put directly in the soil this year. So I think so. Next year will be okay, and they will work. Pistachio nut, one pistachio nut, and another one. I think so. Flower will come next year, or if maybe I put in the soil this year, then next year will give me fruits. Anyway, guys. So like this, you shouldn't give up to grow your own fruits, vegetables, because really it is very exciting when you grow yourself, and it is very good for health, like organic, natural. And like how I don't like to go doctor to like wasting my time. Same way when I go shopping, I feel it is my wasting time. If I tell always people need enough space to grow fruits and vegetables, so they no need to waste time. They no need to go shopping for buy their food. And also from shop you're not getting any fresh organic thing, and because people put lots of chemical to kill insect, to grow like hormone, it is not it is very bad for health. So always guys, try to grow yourself Try to love yourself. Now lockdown and people, whole world is really stuck. People living indoor and they're trying to do something from indoor. My main activity now, I'm doing gardening, and also I'm trying to set up my business online. So guys, like this, you should give time for your family, time for yourself, and grow yourself like this, guys. Look, and look at that, roots. I want more tall roots than if I put in the soil, so they can collect food from soil very easily. Now no rain at all. Every day have to give water like this something. So I want more bigger root, so they can collect food from deep of soil so easily. I don't want the heat is dry. It's quite strong, really. I think the cauliflower is work better than cabbage, because cabbage is very soft and slug like it. This is strong. They can't eat easily, I think. Let me try. This is my first time, guys. You also can try, guys. Look at that. Guys, if you have a space in your house like this, you can do room gardening. And this room thing, in the June next month, I'll put most of plant outdoor, especially vegetables. This kind of one type of one time, one time vegetable every year you have to put, Still, I love to grow. But I love most is fruits like jackfruit. Jackfruit, when green, you can cook like a potato, like a vegetables. Jackfruit seed, you can eat like a nut, like Brazil nut is similar. Yeah, you can eat, and when it is ready, you can eat as a fruit. So the most lots of use of jackfruit. I like it. So I have lots of jackfruit plant, but still, yeah, I buy jackfruit plant with flower. So it is will give fruits very soon. Maybe in 6 months, I'll get my jackfruit in plant. I cut branches because it is just come from other country, and it wasn't strong enough. Now it's giving leaves. So okay, this leaf, then they will give flower. I think this is for Holia jackfruit, so they have no season. It's good. So when this jackfruit will be plant will be ready, he will give fruits himself. So I just try to put some natural hormone. Hormone is a um, aloe vera. Aloe vera, I keep some aloe vera in jackfruit plant to make more hormonal, grow more quickly and give me fruits like this. But I always use natural one, guys. Then aloe vera is fantastic, really, guys. I'm shocked. If you have anything skin problem, you can put aloe vera. I'm trying to grow aloe vera. I always have aloe vera. Yeah, not too much. I have little bit. Okay. Um, Sometimes aloe vera, like one plant, 2 years, 3 years, they survive, then they die, then you have to make another one like this. I'm trying to make more, really. I have outdoor some aloe vera plant. So guys, always love yourself, take care of yourself, and grow your own food. You have, like me, I'm trying to, do more business, to make, try to make money, buy business, to buy big house, to do gardening like this. Yeah, this country you can get government house. It's not very difficult to get. Still, I'm trying to buy myself. Or else you. This is not matter of money, always, but better. If you always practice your brain cell, practice your lifestyle to improve, yeah, government help you when you stuck, when you can't do anything, but better to you help government, you help country, you help the world. So this how you can do, you can try, guys. So let's go try for it, guys. Grow your vegetables and fruits. Bye and peace out.